Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy M17 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll down and find General Management and tap on it. Then let's tap on the third option, which is date and time. And currently everything is set automatically. So if you want to set it manually, you need to turn off both of those switchers, and now you can freely tap on date and choose the date from the calendar. Tap on done. The same situation with the time, so just set it and tap on done. Select the time zone, tap on region, and here you can choose from all available regions. So find yours and tap on it. It will be immediately applied. Of course, you need to be aware that the time zone will affect the time. Here, I forgot the word, the clock format. So currently we've got the 24-hour format, and if you'd like to use 12-hour one, just turn off this option. And this is the only format that we can change here. So we cannot change, for example, the date format. We need to have it like a day, month, and then a year. Alright, so this is the whole manual customization of date and time. And of course, you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those two switchers here. So you can set everything automatically. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.